In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a PDF on LinkedIn. If you want to share a document, guide, portfolio, report, or any other PDF directly with your LinkedIn audience, the process is actually very simple. LinkedIn lets you attach a document to a regular post so people can preview it without leaving the platform, which can help make your content more engaging and easier to consume. To get started, go to your LinkedIn homepage. At the top of the feed, you'll see the post creation area. Click Start a post to open the posting window. This is the same place where you would normally write a text post, but in this case, we're going to add a PDF attachment. Once the pop-up window appears, look for the More button, shown as 3 dots. Click that to reveal additional post options. From there, select the Add a Document icon. This is the tool LinkedIn uses when you want to upload files like PDFs for your audience to scroll through directly in the post. Next, click Choose File and upload your PDF. You can select it from your computer or from a connected cloud storage service such as Google Drive or Dropbox, depending on what's available on your device. Before uploading, it's a good idea to make sure your PDF is the final version and that it doesn't contain any private or sensitive information you don't want to share publicly. After the file uploads, LinkedIn will ask you to add a title for the document. Enter a clear, descriptive title so viewers immediately understand what the PDF is about. A strong title can make a big difference, especially if you want more people to open and read your document. When you're happy with the title, click Done. Now return to the main post area and write your caption. This is where you can introduce the PDF, explain why it matters, and encourage people to read it. Keep your caption clear and relevant, and if appropriate, add a few hashtags to help your post reach a broader audience. Try not to overdo the hashtags, just use the ones that genuinely match your topic. Once everything looks good, click Post. Your PDF will then be published as part of your LinkedIn post, and your audience will be able to view it directly from their feed. And that's it. That's how to post a PDF on LinkedIn.